In the global energy transition, e-mobility is transforming urban transportation. AI Skylightor provides a one-stop electric mobility solution encompassing vehicle leasing, batteries, battery swapping, fast charging, and standard charging services. We have independently developed a vehicle management system and an intelligent lithium battery alongside our IoT smart platform. Our batteries offer intelligent safety protection, a long cycle life, and reduced operating costs. The IoT smart platform seamlessly integrates batteries, vehicles, battery swap cabinets, operation systems, and maintenance systems. Through a dedicated app or web interface, users can access 15 core functions, including remote vehicle control, real-time safety monitoring, and battery health management. Our system boasts millisecond-level response times for vehicle anomaly warnings. AI Skylightor's integrated battery and battery swapping solutions are designed to boost global efficiency and lower costs, making electric mobility safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Join us to usher in a new era of electrified and intelligent mobility.